It's always a pleasure to welcome you back to our channel. Today, we will be sharing knowledgeable tips by legal expert to guide you through the complex world of law. Whether you're an aspiring law student, paralegal, self-learner, or someone seeking to resolve personal legal matters, this video is designed just for you. We'll be exploring essential tips and strategies to help you master legal basics, learn from real-life examples, and avoid common pitfalls. Our goal is to demystify complex legal topics by explaining them in plain English, so anyone can understand and navigate the legal world with confidence. So, grab a notepad and get ready to dive into the world of law as we unlock its secrets together. Let's get started. 1. The importance of legal knowledge. Let's begin by understanding the importance of legal knowledge for everyone, not just lawyers or law students. To illustrate this, let me share a story about Sarah, a small business owner who faced a legal issue due to a lack of understanding of the law. Sarah owns a small bakery in her town. She's an expert in baking, but she doesn't know much about the legal side of running a business. One day, she decides to hire an employee to help her out. Unfortunately, Sarah didn't draft a proper employment contract. When the employee started causing issues at work, she had no legal grounds to address the situation or terminate the employment. Eventually, Sarah faced a lawsuit from the employee, which cost her a significant amount of time, money, and stress. Sarah's story highlights how legal knowledge can save you time, money, and stress in both personal and professional situations. By understanding the basics of the law, you can make informed decisions, protect your interests, and avoid costly mistakes. So let's get started on our journey to break down daunting laws and become better equipped to handle legal matters with confidence. 2. Researching laws. Now that we understand the importance of legal knowledge, let's dive into our first practical tip: researching laws. It's essential to know where to find accurate and reliable information about the law. When researching laws, always start with reputable sources like government websites, legal databases, and law libraries. These sources provide reliable, up-to-date information on various legal topics. Remember, not everything you find on the internet is accurate or trustworthy. Always verify the information you find by cross-checking it with other reputable sources. So, the next time you need to research a legal topic, remember to start with reliable sources and verify your findings. This will help you build a strong foundation of legal knowledge and make better decisions in the future. In the next legal tip, we'll discuss the art of interpreting statutes, a skill that's crucial for understanding and applying the law. Let's go. 3. Interpreting statutes. Now that we know where to find reliable legal information, let's discuss the art of interpreting statutes. Statutes are laws enacted by a legislature, and understanding their structure, purpose, and context is crucial for applying them correctly. Let's use an engaging, real-life example to demonstrate how to interpret statutes. Meet Sam. Sam parked their car in a spot marked with a no parking sign. However, they noticed that the sign was faded and barely visible. Sam wonders if they can still be ticketed for parking there. To answer Sam's question, we need to interpret the relevant parking statute. First, let's identify the statute's purpose. The purpose of the parking statute is to regulate parking and ensure public safety. Now, let's examine the statute's structure and context. In this case, the statute states that parking is prohibited where signs indicate no parking. However, the statute also includes a clause that requires the signs to be clearly visible. Based on our interpretation of the statute, Sam might have a valid argument that the faded no parking sign does not meet the visibility requirement. Therefore, they might not be liable for a parking violation in this situation. Interpreting statutes can be challenging, but with practice and the right resources, you can improve your skills. Remember to consider the statute's structure, purpose, and context to understand its correct application. Next, we'll explore how to navigate legal documents with ease. Stay tuned. 4. Navigating legal documents. Great job on learning how to interpret statutes. Now let's tackle another essential skill: navigating legal documents. From contracts to court filings, legal documents can be complex and filled with unfamiliar terms and abbreviations. But don't worry, we've got some practical tips to help you understand them with ease. First, let's look at the difference between a well-prepared legal document and a poorly prepared one. Notice how the well-prepared document is clearly structured, with headings, numbered sections, and consistent formatting. This kind of organization makes it much easier to understand the content and follow the flow of the document. So, when reviewing legal documents, always pay attention to their structure and organization. Another challenge in navigating legal documents is understanding the terminology and abbreviations. While it may seem overwhelming at first, you can gradually learn these terms by using a legal dictionary or referring to online resources. Don't be afraid to take notes, create flashcards, or find other ways to reinforce your learning. Over time, you'll become more comfortable with legal language and be able to navigate documents with confidence. With practice and persistence, you'll master the skill of navigating legal documents, making it easier to understand and manage your legal affairs. In the next legal tip, we'll discuss the importance of staying up to date with the latest legal developments and how to do so. Let's keep going. 5. Staying up to date with legal developments. You're making great progress. Now that you're getting more comfortable with legal concepts and documents, let's discuss the importance of staying up to date with the latest legal developments. Laws change frequently, so it's crucial to keep track of these changes to make informed decisions and avoid potential issues. There are many ways to stay informed about changes in the law. Legal news websites and law journals are excellent resources for keeping up with the latest developments, court decisions, and legislative changes. Online legal forums are another great place to stay informed and connect with others who share your interest in the law. Don't forget about attending workshops, seminars, and conferences as well. These events can provide valuable learning opportunities and help you stay current on legal trends and developments. By actively staying informed, you'll be better prepared to handle legal matters and make informed decisions, whether it's for your personal life or your professional endeavors. Up next, we'll delve into common legal mistakes and how to avoid them. Stay tuned. 6. Common legal mistakes and how to avoid them. By now, you've gained a lot of valuable knowledge about the law. But even with this knowledge, it's essential to be aware of common legal mistakes so you can avoid them. Let's dive into some frequent pitfalls and learn how to prevent them. One common mistake is relying solely on internet research without verifying sources. As we mentioned earlier, always use reputable sources and cross-check your findings to ensure accuracy. Another mistake is misinterpreting statutes due to a lack of context or background knowledge. Remember the tips we discussed on interpreting statutes? Consider the structure, purpose, and context to understand the law correctly. Lastly, failing to consult a legal professional when necessary can lead to costly errors. While it's great to be knowledgeable about the law, don't be afraid to seek expert advice when you need it. By being aware of these common mistakes and following the tips we've discussed, you'll be well equipped to avoid legal pitfalls and make sound decisions. In the next legal tip, we'll get inspired by success stories of individuals who have successfully navigated legal issues as beginners. Let's keep moving forward. 7. Success stories in navigating legal issues. It's time for some inspiration. Let's explore success stories of individuals who have successfully navigated legal issues as beginners. These stories will show you how the skills and knowledge we've discussed so far can be applied in real-life situations. First individual. I was able to resolve a landlord-tenant dispute by researching my local housing laws and understanding my rights as a tenant. Thanks to the legal knowledge I gained, I was able to communicate effectively with my landlord and resolve the issue without going to court. Second individual. I started a small business and had to create my first contract. I took the time to learn about contract law and how to draft a solid agreement. With this knowledge, I was able to protect my interests and create a professional contract that both parties were happy with. Third individual. I faced a challenging family law matter and felt overwhelmed by the legal process. I decided to educate myself on the relevant laws and seek guidance from legal professionals when needed. This approach allowed me to navigate the legal system with confidence and ultimately reach a favorable outcome for my family. These stories demonstrate the power of legal knowledge and the importance of applying the skills we've discussed. By investing in your legal education, you can overcome challenges and achieve success in your personal and professional life. Next up, we'll set the record straight on widespread misbeliefs about law and legal experts. Let's keep going. 8. Setting the record straight on misbeliefs about law and legal experts. As we learn more about the law, it's essential to address some widespread misbeliefs and misconceptions that can create confusion or misinformation. Let's set the record straight on a few common myths about law and legal experts. Myth 1. Legal information and resources are only accessible to lawyers. The truth is, many resources are available to the public, such as government websites, legal databases, and scholarly articles. With some research and dedication, anyone can access and understand legal information. Myth 2. All legal professionals are the same. In reality, there are many different roles within the legal profession, each with its own responsibilities and expertise. It's essential to understand the difference between roles, such as attorneys, paralegals, and legal secretaries, to know who to consult for your legal needs. Myth 3. Legal knowledge is only necessary for lawyers. The truth is, understanding the law is important for everyone, regardless of their profession. Legal knowledge can help you make informed decisions, protect your rights, and navigate various life situations. By debunking these myths, we can promote accurate information about the law and help everyone better understand the importance of legal knowledge. In the next legal tip, we'll discuss opportunities for continuing your legal education and expanding your knowledge. Let's keep learning. 9. Opportunities for continuing legal education. You've come a long way in your journey to understand and navigate the law. There are plenty of opportunities to continue your legal education and expand your knowledge even further. Let's explore some of these options. Online courses are a fantastic way to deepen your understanding of specific legal topics or learn about new areas of law. Many universities, colleges, and professional organizations offer online courses that cater to different skill levels and areas of interest. Workshops and seminars are another excellent avenue for continuing your legal education. These events provide opportunities to learn from experts, engage in discussions, and network with others who share your passion for the law. Seeking out legal mentors can also play a crucial role in your ongoing education. Experienced legal professionals can provide invaluable guidance, share their expertise, and help you navigate the complexities of the law. By embracing these opportunities for continuing legal education, you'll become even more proficient in understanding and navigating the law. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey, and the more you learn, the better prepared you'll be to face life's legal challenges. In our final tip, we'll discuss how to engage with us and join our community for more legal insights. Stay tuned. 10. Engage with us and join our community. Congratulations on making it this far in our journey to break down daunting laws and master practical legal tips. We hope you found the information valuable and feel more confident in your ability to navigate the world of law. We'd love to hear from you and continue to support your legal education journey. Engage with us by leaving comments, asking questions, and sharing your own legal experiences. Your feedback and insights will help us create even more valuable content for our community. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated on the latest legal tips, news, and insights. Instagram handle, @LegalEaglyCathabrief, Twitter handle, @LegalEaglyKB. Connect with other aspiring law students, paralegals, and self-learners in our community, and continue learning from one another. Finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more practical legal tips and resources. Together, we can continue to demystify the law and empower ourselves with knowledge. Until then, keep learning and growing.